If you are planning to study in Germany, finding the right university is a big step. In this video, I will show you how to search for German university and how to track your application using a handy Excel tracker. Let's get started! To start your university search, we'll use some powerful websites. I will guide you through each step. First, let's visit the DAAD website. This is where you can search for university and program across Germany. On the home page, go to Study and Research in Germany, and then click University and Programs. So on the left-hand side, you will see a lot of useful information for your application. For example, the right university, the right degree and program. But in this video today, we'll focus on international programs. If you want just to have the overview of the field of study, you can go to the filter selection here. For the course type, let's choose Master Degree. For the course language, let's go for English only. And for the field of study, let's go for Law, Economic and Social Science. Then you will see that around 568 programs available. Let's search. And then you will see the result that match your search. So now, if you know the direction of your study, for example, I would like to study management, and you can go here and enter that keyword, management. Click enter, and then your search result will be refined to 250. So here in the filter, you also see some more useful filter. For example, if you want to narrow down to business and economic, then you will see this much of result. And one of the things that I will choose is I want to study fully on-site, and I will choose this option, kind of institution. So in Germany, there is the difference between university and University of Applied Science. I have a video on that. You might want to have a look to know further information. So if I choose university, I will see, like, for example, MBA International Healthcare Management in Frankfurt. If I switch the filter to University of Applied Science, then I see something like International Project Management in Stuttgart University of Applied Science. As an international student, I guess that tuition fee is also play a role for you. Here, we also have the filter for tuition fee. So if we choose no fee, then we have around 34 universities, up to 500 for example, then we have a larger number of universities. And please notice, the list of universities here will not include Baden-Württemberg University, because for any international student who would like to study in Baden-Württemberg, we need to pay 1,500 euro per semester. So that's it about the DAAD website. So if you're interested in the specific program, you can just open, and then it will show you the detailed information of the program. For example, now International Management in Rosenheim, the degree would be the Master of Art, the language of course English, and this would be a full-time degree with the length of 3 semesters. And here you also see important information like application deadline and is there any descriptions and so on. Once you found some interesting programs, go to the university official website and look for the detailed information about the course content, admission requirements, and faculty. This is very important to ensure that the program aligns with your career goals. So after researching in DAAD, I find the International Management program in Hochschule Furtwangen is the one I want to know more about the detail. Then I go to the university website, search for the program, go to the detail page, and here I will see the overview of the program. For example, how many credits, what is the duration, where the campus, and so on. And when I scroll down, there will be more detail of the program. For example, what are the entry requirements and what it covers. This is really important, and I encourage you to check this because This examination regulation will show you the structure of the major, and you can see here it is generally in German, but you can have a look through what is the subject and module included and how much credit it will be. Let me go back to the page. When we go to special feature, there is some important feature of the program which is listed here, and about tuition fee and living expense. So for example, the semester fee would be 155 euro for international students, or let's say non-EU student. It's required for the semester 1,500 euro. And of course there is some option for scholarship, but we can have a look at the IIED website or of the scholarship and further information about the career prospect. Finally, don't forget to check student reviews on websites like study portals or the student room. These reviews will give you a real sense of what it's like to study at that university. So now I'm at study portal website. I go for search matters and then search for my university. I'll just pick a random major, view program information, and here you will see the ranking and also the review of the student. And you can also choose most recent, positive first, or critical first. If we come back to the portal, there's one really cool feature. So imagine that there are two programs in one university that you would like to apply for and you want to compare those. Then here you can go add to compare. I want to compare International Business Management and Executive Master of International Business Management. And then click compare now. Then you will see the side-by-side comparison, which will help you have an overview what is different, what is the similarity, and will help you to decide for the specific major in that university. Once you have done your research, it's time to organize your application. Let me show you how to use the University Application Tracker I created. Start by listing all the university and the major that you are applying to. In this tracker, enter the university name and the related major. And it's really helpful to have the hyperlink into the major so that you can easily find the information afterward. Next, enter the application deadline for each university. Stating on top of details is essential, especially if you are applying for multiple programs. It's also important to list the priority of the university based on your point of view so that you can priority to apply for those universities. In the tracker, you can also monitor the status of each application, mark whether you have submitted it, you have got an acceptance, or you are waiting for the response. Lastly, use the note section to keep track of any additional document needed, upcoming interview, or other important reminder. I personally find it's really helpful to have the list of all documents listed with the respect of the university what I would like to apply for. And I also do some kind of color coding to see if the translation is required or only the original copy is needed. I'm making this tracker available for you so you can download it and start organizing your application right away. Just check in the description below. It is super easy to use and will save you a lot of time and stress during your university application. That's it for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thank you for watching and good luck with your university application process.